Farmer-managed natural regeneration, a low-cost sustainable land restoration technique put in place to combat poverty and hunger among poor subsistence farmers in developing countries, Nigeria inclusive. The sustainable natural phenomenon, which has an enormous advantage of carrying out crop raising, also have the capacity to improve and maintain the fertility of the soil within a short period of time. The program coordinator of the foundation, Dr. Stella Egbe, said the project is aimed at protecting the National Park Service as well as protecting the livelihood of communities living around it. She added that the idea is to train farmers on improved farming system within the spaces outside of the national park in order to reduce the chances of encroachment.
The communities here, we look at them as stakeholders of the national park because they benefit from the ecosystem services that the park provides. But we also look at them as owners because if they recognize that their activities can positively impact the national park and they carry out these activities, then they become the major stakeholders in the protection of the national park itself. So they will benefit from this training in that if they adjust their methods of farming, they increase soil fertility and they increase their productivity as well.
In Nigeria, why we targeted farmer is to be able to build their resilience to all of these climate change impact. And one of the very useful approach to do that is the Farmers Managed Natural Regeneration Program that we have just introduced to farmers. That this approach will help to combat hunger, poverty, and will help to improve food security across Nigeria.
People of vested interest applauded the initiative and expressed satisfaction with the process.
Being an enlightenment program with the farmers have let them understood the need to intercrop. That is to say, they can plant crops alongside with trees and it is going to benefit them both. The essence of planting crops together with trees have many reasons. It can deprive insects from attacking the crops. Number two, it is going to regulate the temperature of the area which these crops are planted. Number three, it is going to maintain a good water table level in that premises.
We achieve a lot of things. That is, one, we know now how to maintain our soil fertility, what are the procedures to maintain them, the trees that are commercially good, beneficially to our crops, and they will maintain a bit, avoid flood, erosions.
If you plan a project and you got people who achieved from your project, I will say I will congratulate you for that because it is not easy to plan a project and execute. I'm also urging them to continue.
The training is expected to improve the income of the farmers in the area and restore the population of wild cats around Kainji Lake National Park. In New Busa, Kabir Abdullahi, NCA News.